Okay, and this video is the second of a three-part series. I'm joined by three very funny people, Addie, Kate, and Sarah, to talk about banking, fintech, and real-world issues. We'll get into credit card interchange, how it works, who profits from it, and what it means to consumers. We'll also talk about rewards programs and talk about why Addie hates, or at least is very mad at Target Rewards, and why so many points go unused. Let's go ahead and get into it. Of course, I think we're going to get off topic, which seems to be kind of the norm on these videos. And by the way, what the heck is a lumberjack vibe? I don't think I know. But this video is a lot of fun. You're really going to enjoy it.
Am I doing the intro song now?
Yeah. Go.
Oh my god. This is the intro song. She didn't want to do it. This is the intro song. Let's get into it.
Yeah.
We're talking about finances. Oh my god.
That sucked. Mine was better.
That sucks. You know what? We're still in the process of writing it.
You messed up.
Do you want the Grammy or not?
I guess.
We're going to talk about credit card interchange.
Credit card energy?
Interchange. So credit card interchange is the amount that a bank makes off of the cards that they issue.
So much.
Yeah, it's a lot. So this card right here, this metal Visa signature card, when you swipe that card for $100, the bank makes about $1.80 to $2 off that transaction.
That's absurd.
We should get that half of it back.
Well, you do in
Half?
rewards.
They should get like 10 cents.
Half in rewards. Nah.
That is not true.
Pennies. Maybe
It's
half
like
a cent.
less than pennies.
She's basing this off Target.
The Target.
Don't even get me started.
You mad at Target?
Pissed. Look, I had $50 from, you know how you type your number in?
Uh-huh.
$50 in rewards or whatever you call it. And my phone number, got a new phone number, and I lost all of it. We tried calling my old number because we talked to him once.
But
We did talk to him once.
It was a while
It
before
was
then.
a long time ago.
And she started with
Can you give me the
Wait.
code?
in the text that I just got
I know you just got a message. I just need the code for it.
he blocked us.
He blocked me.
Oh no.
I was like, I thought we were cool. We had FaceTime conversation and everything.
Thought we
You
were
just took the
scamming him for
$50
sure.
worth of. I'm going on a shopping spree at
He
Target. I don't
probably
know
used
why.
He probably used it.
She said, "Can I please get the code from the?" And
I could have went about it another way, but I was in line.
You were in line.
yeah,
I was
so she was trying to
waiting.
do it fast, and
I stood there for like a good 10 minutes. There were people behind me.
So you can't change it if it's tied to a phone number?
Apparently not.
Oh my god.
So you called the person who has your phone number,
Correct.
who randomly got it.
Yep.
And said you're about to get a text.
Yep.
I want the code.
And he's just like,
Click.
no.
No, he just blocked me. He didn't say anything.
He's just like, this crazy lady.
His loss. We
Then he gets the code. and
You
he's
could have been
just-
friends.
no,
That's
he
right.
wanted to date me.
Yeah.
He was trying to have a whole conversation with me after this was a while back.
How did he
Wait, the
Who
same
got this
the same guy that got her old number wanted to date you?
Yeah, it was
See,
this
you
whole
guys
thing.
could have had a better
That's
strategy.
why we
Yeah.
thought
Could've
we had a chance.
Trojan
That's
horse
why I
him.
asked him
Just-
for the code.
Just be like, all right, I'll go on a date with you. Now, can you give him the code?
we need the code.
You need.
Would
He
You
need the
just need the
code.
Forgot
phone.
about
You need
us.
to be looking at the phone when
He lives
when
in
the-
another state.
Back in
Man.
our hometown.
That's a lot of work for $50.
Exactly.
That'd be
Like,
too
now we're
much.
blocked.
Took the L.
I think I tried calling him, and he
think
like,
he blocked
me
both.
too. He did give lumberjack.
He's very weird. Anyways.
He's a lumberjack.
No, it just gave like lumberjack vibes, you know.
No.
What?
Do you know what lumberjack vibes are?
I'm just hearing of this now.
Do you have a beard?
Oh, Midwest.
Oh, Midwest,
okay.
just Midwest. Oh,
Like
okay.
plaid shirt,
Axe.
beard. Yeah.
Oh, I
See,
see.
if someone said Midwest vibes to
Country
me, I'd think
boy.
Bass Pro Shop. So
Yeah.
Yeah, Bass Pro Shop.
Okay. Well, rewards.
Anyways.
Interchange. Okay, I'm getting
Yep.
confused. Okay. The bank makes 1 to 2% off that transaction. They pay you back 1 to 2% in rewards. It's
Rewards are
important.
bullshit,
I'm like, I don't think it makes a difference.
and most people don't even use them. You probably do,
Why do you say that?
because you're like.
you
in the
look like a
bank.
rewards guy.
I know what.
You're like,
yeah,
I got rewarded. Here we go. Outback Steakhouse.
you know, there are people that have like 5 or 6 cards, and they use a different card based on what the rewards are, which to me seems too complicated. Why are you
Very
going to do all
I
that?
don't,
Calculated.
my brain, no.
Yeah, it's too much work.
Too much.
You don't do that.
No, I've
you
tried.
don't have to lie just because we're
It's
on the
okay.
podcast.
It's
We
okay.
don't
No,
it's
no.
okay.
We
This is a safe
listen and we
space.
don't judge.
There, I do have.
We laugh, but we don't judge.
I do have. I have a couple of cards. One I do use for different. But no, anyways, let's not talk about me.
Oh.
A couple means a few.
Yes.
Okay. No,
what kind of
but
cards do
Are
you
you-
have, though?
I have an American Airlines card that I will use to buy
Oh.
tickets, and that's the only
mild
thing I use. it
Ones
for.
I feel like are good.
Yeah,
No,
that's
that's
the only thing I use is to buy tickets. But I don't chase the rewards. Some people do. Some people are really, really good at that.
I feel like very few.
I think so too. Like I don't.
Tiny number.
Mhm.
1%.
I don't think normal people even care about it because debit cards mostly don't give rewards anyways.
No.
Yeah,
I feel like most people don't even, like, when I had it, I just never even really looked at it. Or, like, I'd look at it and I wouldn't have enough for what I wanted, so then I would just
Mhm.
forget about it.
yeah.
It's a scam, is what I'm saying.
Just think about how much money we spent at Target to get over $50
Yeah.
worth
And
of
lose it.
rewards.
I have seen I've seen debit
Why is it
cards
like-
that'll get passed that will try to have a reward system, but it'll be like a gift shop. Like there was one I used to use a lot where it had its own gift shop rewards points, and then you'd see like physical stuff from like Amazon, like maybe slippers, maybe home items. I think the wildest prize I saw in there was like a real horse.
A horse?
A
A
What?
horse.
A
For-
How many
real one?
points
for
that
debit
was?
points. Like, oh gosh,
a
I think
real horse?
20,000 points or something like that. Like a horse,
Like a horse.
a real
So you
horse.
could,
Like it was.
We're just going to bring you
I-
this horse?
Like I'm still like
FedEx.
I still laugh about it when I
box.
think about it, and because it's like a horse. You're promising
is
a horse in here?
crazy.
Oh my god! But it was like ridiculously high.
I bet.
They do the whole point system so that you spend on the card more.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like you get nothing from the mileage. I feel like that's actually
No,
a,
that's
a
legit.
decent
If
one.
it doesn't
Yeah.
expire, some of them
But
expire.
No, illegal.
It's
You
not
know
illegal.
they made it so gift cards can't expire because they used to have gift cards that expired.
Yeah.
That's like how.
I actually
Why?
went to get a massage once, and he told me that my gift card was expired. And so
Really?
I paid for the massage afterwards. And then my dear friend Sarah over here emailed the owner and said, my friend has a gift card and she had to pay because the person at the front desk didn't let her use it. And she's like, no, gift cards shouldn't expire, so if she wants to come back and get another one. I never went back.
They got you.
You just have to make sure you don't get the same employee who denied you the first time, because I think
No,
they
I
might
hope
have
I
a
get it.
vendetta against you if you show up. They're
No,
like,
I would be happy.
oh.
That manager's not here anymore.
Why would gift cards expire anyways, though? That doesn't even make sense.
It's called breakage.
That makes
It's an
sense.
industry term. And they know that a certain percentage of points will go unused. They call it breakage. 50% of points go unused.
50%.
I feel
Easily. Yeah.
50. I feel like it's higher.
Every program's well, I've seen programs where it's like 70. So 70% of the points earned, 50, 70, whatever the number is never used. The person closes the account and they don't know that they have those points sitting out there, and that money goes back to the bank.
So they're thieves.
I've seen banks.
We got to hold him accountable for this. Where's President or Senator
Senator
Kennedy?
Senator Kennedy, he
Call
needs to
him
get
up.
on this one.
No, that's illegal.
It's not illegal.
It is.
30 days notice. 30 days notice is all you need.
Sup?
You have 30 days to redeem your points.
Do they tell you? Like they said, what do
Well,
they
if you
do?
close your account, it's in the agreement, right? If you close your account, the points are gone. You lose everything.
You can't have shit.
But I know of banks that have gotten rid of their rewards programs with a 30-day notice because they needed the revenue to make their quarterly numbers.
We need to dismantle the whole
This is what-
system.
What are you going to
This
do?
is what
We
this
gotta
conversation is
dismantle the
leading.
whole system.
You're gonna go to
Revolution
Ripple or
starts
something?
here.
Okay, you might lose your job, but don't worry.
Don't worry. XRP's going to the
I got
no,
Ripple,
no,
yeah.
we'll put you in charge of building the new system.
The new
Right.
system.
Okay.
So it's going to be a whole system.
Yeah. No, a better
a
one.
better
A
one.
better one.
Build back better.
Build back better. BBB. Triple
Know who
B.
says that?
I know. Wait, it's Trump, right?
Boyfriend. No.
I don't know.
Trump? Trump's Make America Great Again.
But I thought, Build Back Better. Who's that? Biden? Okay, he's not my boyfriend.
I just love that the boyfriend thing came out of nowhere. I feel like you just journal about it, like maybe that's his boyfriend. And then we find out you devoted like a whole Wattpad to it.
It is not on my vision board.
Biden?
He's not on my vision
Is
board. He's
Kamala, though?
I don't have one. I think, Kamala,
I was literally going to say, what, you think she's hot?
she
Your
is.
wife is going to watch this.
You cheated.
Sending it.
That's not cheating.
Cheater.
Okay.
No, you
all
saying
right.
He
Kamala's
said I'm cutting
hot.
that part for sure.
He said Kamala Harris is sexy.
I didn't
That's
say
what I
that.
heard.
I didn't say that.
He said I didn't.
She
Is
is.
that
I mean,
good thing
for
I'm
a
in
50-year-old
control?
woman. Yeah.
You know?
50
You
something.
know,
He's like, those pantsuits get me.
Oh my goodness.
you know, Sarah's kid's dad thinks she looks like all of his friends said that she looks like
Kamala Harris?
Yeah.
Okay.
So funny. Okay, we gotta.
I'm lost. Are we still talking about credit card interchange?
Yeah.
Let's watch a video. Let's watch a video.
Would you ask Kamala about her credit card?
Oh, she's got a black card for sure. That was not racist. Don't look at me like that.
Where's these buttons?
There we go. There we go.
Okay. We're gonna watch this video with Senator Kennedy from Louisiana
Does it sound good?
from credit card interchange.
ASMR now.
Yeah.
Say it with us.
Mr. Sheedy, you are senior advisor to the Visa CEO.
Yes, sir.
The Visa CEO was too busy to come today.
He had a conflict, Senator. He knows that I enjoyed speaking with this committee 2 years ago
A
and that I was
conflict?
looking forward to coming back. But he unfortunately was not able to be here today.
What was his conflict?
I have a conflict.
Yeah, I know.
I honestly don't know what his conflict was, but I know he was unable to be here today.
But it was more important that he be somewhere else
You
than
have a
here.
poppy?
He was unable to be here today. He sends his regards.
Send him right
What if
back.
he was
A
just in
poppy?
bed? Like,
Looks like an olipop.
Look, I don't.
is that not?
If we had to vote on this bill today,
One
I
of
don't
those
know
house
how I
sodas?
would vote.
They can have whatever, yeah. Water, soda,
But I want
coffee.
to thank the chairman for calling this hearing. I've learned a lot today. I've just got a couple of questions and then an observation. Professor, you seem to be fairly objective here. Congress capped the fees on debit cards. Is that correct?
That's correct, for certain transactions, yes.
The savings, has it been passed on to the consumer and or invested in the retailer's business?
Yes, so the average rate for,
Give me, I don't speak
Yes.
Sanskrit.
Yes.
I need short answers. Is
Yes.
that a yes or
Speak
no?
chicken
Yes.
scratch.
Okay.
So what
He's still mad that the other person couldn't be there.
And we addressed the issue in debit cards by regulating. We capped the fees. This bill doesn't cap fees like they do in Europe, as Senator Graham so eloquently pointed out. This bill just introduces competition.
That's correct.
Okay. All right. I really came today to watch Senator Hawley
We'll go over to Senator.
and to learn. But here's my observation. I'm going to cede my time to Senator Hawley. Let me just say this to all of you, but particularly our friends at Visa and MasterCard, and I mean it. I don't know how I would vote if this bill came up today. Visa and MasterCard and the folks, the retailers, need to sit down and work this out. You need to sit down and work this out. Because if you don't, Congress is going to do something. I'm not sure what we're going to do.
Concepts of a
But
plan.
Visa
That's very yeah, he's very
and
confident.
MasterCard, when we get through
I
with
do
you,
like those glasses.
you could end
Very
up
cutesy.
looking
You could
like
probably
either the
order
post
them.
office or the Dallas Cowboys.
Maybe
The
if I
plan
could
so far is just pointing fingers.
I'm not sure we'll get it right.
the whole hand.
And I'm not a big fan of the European model. That we're seeing the cost right now in Europe of their penchant for regulation. But what I do care is the fact that the high prices in this country are gutting the American people like a fish. And we're trying to address it. And my strong advice to you is to sit down and try to work this out and come up with a solution that's fair for the consumer, fair for the retailer, but also respects Visa and MasterCard. You're two great companies, and I appreciate that. But something's not adding up here. And next time, Mr. Sheedy, it's wonderful to see you. Ask your CEO to come. I know he's a busy, important man, but ask him to come.
So they just say we should have a plan in Congress and we don't?
Well, so they have a bill. It's called the Credit Card Competition Act, and it would require every bank over a certain like size to have two card networks on your credit card. So instead of it being a MasterCard like that one right there, or this one's a Visa, you would have Visa and American Express, or Visa and Discover, or MasterCard and Discover. And so the merchant can choose, okay, well, when you swipe a card, I'm going to route it to Discover, or I'm going to route it to MasterCard, or I'm going to route it to Visa based on what's the cheapest transaction. Because right now, if you swipe your Visa card, it's just going through Visa. And Visa sets a rate, and if you swipe a MasterCard, Discover, American Express, they go through those networks. But that's the bill. It's called the Credit Card Competition Act. So they have to compete, which they think will bring down prices.